In this video we'll see how to quickly and easily set up a YouTube channel for your personal brand or business in just 3 steps. Let's start with step 1. Step 1 is to go to YouTube and sign in with your Google account. Go to youtube.com and click sign in the top right hand corner of the page. Now log in using your Gmail. I'll suggest you to create or maintain a separate Gmail dedicated to your YouTube channel. Note: 1. You must first create a Google account if you don't already have one, in order to create a YouTube channel. 2. You must sign into YouTube using the YouTube mobile site, not the YouTube app, if you want to create your YouTube channel using your mobile device following the same steps. Step 2. Create personnel channel. Once you sign in, click on the profile picture in the top right corner to access your YouTube settings. To create a channel, just click on Create a Channel in the Settings menu, and now you will see the option to create a personal channel using the same name and picture on your Google account aka Gmail. You can edit the name if you want to, by changing your name for your Google account, or you can edit the same here in the basic info of YouTube channel settings. And just click Select to create your personal channel. And that's how easy it is to create a YouTube channel. You can follow these steps to complete your channel setup, or you can skip this and set them up later. And now you're ready to start uploading videos to YouTube and getting in front of the billion-plus people that come to YouTube every single day. Note: your Google account name is your YouTube channel name and vice versa. Now what if you want to create a brand channel in the same Google account? Step 3. Create brand channel. Here we'll see how to create an additional brand channel using this same Google account. It's very easy to create another channel. Click on your profile picture in the top right hand corner and then click on Settings. Next, click on Create a new channel. And then enter your new channel name. And that's how easy it is to create another YouTube channel with different name. To switch between your YouTube channels, simply click on the profile picture in the top right hand corner and then click on Switch Accounts. Just click on the channel that you wish to be logged in as and then click your channel to view the back end of your channel once again, where you can upload videos and customize your channel. That wraps up how to create a YouTube channel for your personal brand or business in just 3 easy steps. Thank you for watching. Now one additional step. Please subscribe and comment down what you want to learn next. Till then, take care.